The advanced harvesters utilize vibrating blades and rotating systems to continuously lift millions of onions from the soil.
Trailer 7 is full, switch to trailer 8.
Copy that, switching the flow now.
Hold it right there.
Next truck, bay 3, let's move.
The optical sorter is redirecting the oversized batch to line 3.
That spike on the graph correlates exactly with the pneumatic cycling.
Yes, the sorting efficiency is holding steady at 99.8%.
Look at the throughput on line 3. We are exceeding the target metrics by 10%.
Yes, the synchronization is perfect today. I'll update the report.
Dispatch to forklift 4. Confirm drop at dock 2.
Roger that. Returning to staging area.
Dispatch to all units. Keep the flow moving. We are running 4 to 5 minutes behind schedule.
All right, that's everything for the onions. Your total is $2,250. You can use the terminal right here. Where should these red ones go?
The basket right here looks perfect. And the potatoes can go below.
Millions of onions embark on a seamless journey through our interconnected supply chain, ensuring freshness from farm to table.
Only the highest quality onions are selected by these automated systems for the dehydration process.
Look at the temperature spike on the upper deck. It's within tolerance, but let's increase the airflow slightly.
Here at the facility, every onion flake undergoes rigorous optical inspection to ensure premium quality before packaging.
Make sure the Japan order is prioritized in Zone 4. Already on it, the powder shipment is ready to go.
Crane 3, move Delta 7 to hatch 4. Confirm load stability.
Copy that, moving Delta 7. Stand by for confirmation. The humble onion, a staple in kitchens worldwide, connects cultures from the farm to the dinner table.